Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we need to cover it with sparkle gel.
Okay.
So squeeze that all over the TV.
Sparkle gel.
Squeeze it hard and fast. Go as fast as you can. Cover it. There you go. Go crazy. Cover the screen. Get some on the screen.
Okay.
Maybe we should turn it up a little bit so we can hear.
Like I'm fixing it.
You're fixing it good. Okay. Next thing we need to do is fix it.
Okay, I think the fan is coming to us right now.
Is we need to get some apple pie on there.
Can I put some on?
Yeah, here, put the whole apple pie on there. Put it right on top. Put it right on top. Just dump it. Just dump the whole thing.
Okay.
There you go. You want to smash that a little? Want to smash it with the fork a little?
Sure.
Right back in the jungle again.
I got some on my eye.
Oh, good. It's just apple pie. Okay, the next thing we need to do is get some caramel syrup.
You can make it stick.
Good.
Ah.
You want to do some caramel syrup?
Sure.
I think it's getting fixed.
Okay, now to wait for one.
Okay. Put these on the ground. Now dump some barbecue sauce on there.
Okay.
You definitely need some barbecue sauce.
All it?
Oh yeah, but stand on the side. Remember? No, there you go. These grapes are fixing it pretty good.
Mom's like, wait.
Okay. I think it needs some shrimp dip. You think so?
Yeah.
Dump that on there. Dump the whole thing right on top. Right on top. Get it on the TV. Get it, get it, get it. Shake it. Okay, good job. Sure. But I'll do it.
Come with one? Doing something now?
Oh, yeah. Okay, how about you put some cold cuts on there. Put all those on the TV.
Okay. It's gonna take me a while.
Okay. Now, I think it needs some cereal. Will you pour some cereal on there?
Stupid rig a couple of times and he goes
Sure.
flying off the deep
Pour it
end.
all over it.
He has to be crazy. Crazy.
Good job. Now I need some candy.
Just
Or sprinkle some candy all over
All
it.
of it?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah, sure. Just sprinkle it all over the place. Hurry up, though. Gotta hurry. Gotta fix it fast. Just hold it right over the top. Sprinkle it all over the place. Okay.
How to fix a
Now put the rest of the ham on there. Okay, so now we're gonna put this right here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
that again.
That was pretty cool, huh?
That it?
Right away when I saw his
I
truck.
think it's fixed. You think it's fixed?
No.
No, what do you intend to do?
Let's put some more on. Thanks for watching!